So now we're going to talk about the constitution problem for the micro solution. To solve the constitution problem, we make a change with the hierarchy of the microfields. We'll let a small particle, perhaps minimal particle, be able to experience rich contents such as the human mind. We assume one soul is present before the split. After the split, another soul must exist at the hemisphere that did not get the first soul. So now we have two souls. Going back in time, we think of the moment of separation, where there already have to be two souls. We see that there was no opportunity for the second orange soul to be born at the split, and therefore it must have existed before the split. We get that at the beginning there had to be at least two souls.